has come to my attention that amongst all the other topics that I've raised in today's uploads, as I've shared for the past 2 to 3 years, with accuracy and with honesty, that there have been the falsified offences of the collective in this community that have been obstructing justice due to their offences and defamation since 2006. So it has come to my attention that there are individuals trying to tarnish my educational profession, my role as a teacher, that they are trying to harm with falsified offences and with issues of defamation and misrepresentation occurring in a small town in the southwest of Ireland. I've worked and volunteered worldwide, and basically, these issues of obstructions of justice, miscarriages, and perversions of justice are extremely pertinent for me at the moment due to the issues of unlawful actions and state agencies that have assisted in these matters that I'm experiencing that offend my constitutional rights, my humanitarian role, my advocacy role, and my role as a mother, a married mother, and a teacher. So the state agencies that are aware of these circumstances, in particularly those pertaining to my child and health and well-being, I would appreciate you realizing the issue of boundaries and limitations considering the offences that I've experienced to date. So those of misrepresentation and falsified offences and retaliatory offences to tarnish my track record, which is actually spotless, are all matters for today's uploads. The Honourable Government of Ireland is aware of my spiritual sentient status and the spiritual violence and treason that is occurring, and also with regard to the factors of guilty culprits in this community that have been offending civil society and the Constitution for quite a while. So if the authorities and the Department of Justice would mind amending the falsehoods and the slander that have harmed my track record, that are based on falsehoods, it would be greatly appreciated. All today's uploads are very relevant due to the situations caused by a collective that are procuring wealth and property, and unlawfully, I might add. And there's also the more serious issue of my child unlawfully withheld from me. So this issue of misrepresentation, falsified offences, and legal obstructions for the sake of wrongdoers are all the human rights abuses that I'm tolerating in this treasonous offence of hate crime against my royal bloodline and title.